So this here is for my week 12 lab activity, and it's just a dynamic model to explain the principles behind an ellipse when dealing with conic sections. So you can see here that I've included our focal spheres, we have our directrix, our vertices, the focal points, and the axis, as well as, of course, the ellipse. So you can see here when I move my line here how the model changes. The same with this bottom section. So the model explains to kids the way you can move it around, how the focal spheres, how they are tangential to both the plane and a cone, no matter where they move. And the point where each sphere touches the plane is a focus point of the conic section up here for our ellipse. We also have the directrix labelled as well, and the directrix is a line parallel to the latus rectum of the ellipse, and it's also perpendicular to our major axis. And the axis is the line, is the red one here, and that just runs through the centre of both focal points. And then we have our focal points highlighted as well, and our focal points always lie on the major axis, and there are 2 of them. So yeah, they're spread evenly as well from our centre point here on the axis. And then of course we have our ellipse, which is a locus of points that has a constant ratio of distance between a focus point and the directrix line, and the constant is always going to be between 0 and 1 when we're dealing with an ellipse. So that is my model that I would use to explain these principles to my students.